Good evening. Well, it was a cold but a pleasant day today. It was nice to see the wintry sunshine, but we're in for a very cold night tonight under the clear skies, a widespread hard frost developing, and the temperatures soon plummeting now throughout the evening. In fact, what we show on the maps actually depict what we're likely to see within the towns and cities, so even colder in rural areas. A cold and frosty start to the day, could be the odd mist or fog patch around first thing, but replaced by this weather front soon starting to come in, and over higher ground, the cross-Pennine routes, it could produce a little bit of snow for a time. It will be a chilly day tomorrow, but we are seeing a change in the temperatures throughout the next few days, turning milder but at times wet and windy.